Yo, day 2 of Rajmachi Trek. It's 5 right now. आज कितना climb होगा? Max कितने घंटे का? 1.5 hours. 1.5 hour climb. Fireflies. Rajmachi के fireflies. See one more.
Would you believe me if I told you I was wrong? But I'm better now, right where I am.
It's 6 right now.
I know it's easy to forgive if you forget, but some things they hang around much longer than we could have guessed.
Finally.
And I just want you to know everything is better now for you and me and all around. And I just want you to see that I don't sweat those little things. We both on to bigger dreams. Trying to hide it, we both did our fair share of fighting. I just think that we're better alone, yeah. You wasn't all pain and lying, there was peace, love in each other. Back up, paisa nikalo. We're better alone, yeah.
This is the descent part. That's the Manoranjan Fort. अरे अभी जो फोर्ट गया है उसका नाम क्या है? That is not Chadar Fort. कुछ ही फोर्ट है वो, नहीं मालूम. But the main Rajmachi Fort that is. One, 2,
3,
4, 5, 6,
7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20,
21.
Let's sing a song.
Yo, Hakamaru. Hakamaru. Maru baby.
Full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain.
Mar. De.
Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Close to the sun.
That was the base camp. Now it's covered in clouds, and now we are here in this beautiful landscape. Hi. This is 360 beauty at its best.
Here's to the ones who let shine through the rain, the ones who stood for something more. We won't forget your names. The tide is high, say goodbye, we're setting sail, and all those midnight secrets told, we'll take them to the grave. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun.
Last 10 minutes for the trek. and then we are gonna take the cabs and boat to Karchak. Then from there train.
They all thought I wouldn't make it. They all think that you're faking, but seeing ain't believing. I know now. I take all your stupid, burn it as my fuel, yeah. 'Cause we're running out of time. I'm gonna make it mine.
The chosen one, I'm not the one to underestimate. I want the throne, I learned to crush obstruction, rush through barricades, levitate. Got it tatted on me, told them follow me. They see the vision, now it's 2020, clear as Tahoe lakes, is clear as day. No longer move around in fear, disarray. Pray you hear me like the winter wind against your window.
We have reached to the local base.
Feel the bass, baby, soak it in and let it marinate. It's time to hustle, gotta muscle up and run through barricades, yeah.
End of the vlog.
Sandeep sir autograph.
Cut. This is the Karjat railway station. Trek is done, trip is done. It was a great experience. Now we're gonna roll back, take a train in Hyderabad.
Chosen one, I'm not the one to underestimate. I want the throne, I learned to crush obstruction, rush through barricades, levitate. Got it tatted on me, told them follow me. They see the vision, now it's 2020, clear as Tahoe lakes.
Bye bye.
Stay no longer move around in fear, disarray. Pray you hear me like the winter wind.
Yo, I'm back home. End of Rajmachi trip, and that's it. Until next time, take care. Peace.
Still a pop of love, nothing's changed. Gotta play that game.